The future of AI, trends shaping 2025 to 26. Everyone's talking about AI. But here's the truth. 2025-26 isn't just about tools. It's about platforms, skills, and readiness. I'm Amit from ChronoTech Minds in Sydney. Today, I'll cut through the noise, the biggest global and Australian IT trends, and exactly what you should focus on to stay ahead. Globally, IT spend is surging into AI infrastructure, services, and edge devices. Pilot projects are giving way to engineered platforms, governed, observable, and cost-controlled. 2025-26 is about scaling value, not chasing demos. AI spend is flowing into infrastructure, platforms, and governance. Let's dive into the first trend, AI platformization. Enterprises are standardizing on AI platforms with model registries, prompt management, guardrails, and observability. This creates repeatable, safe delivery. If you can map business outcomes to platform capabilities, you become the multiplier. Next, GenAI at the edge. Smaller, efficient models are moving on-device and into browsers. Why it matters: low latency, privacy, and offline resilience. Think branch operations, fieldwork, and healthcare. AI in your pocket, no round trip to the cloud. Trend 3. Data products by design. AI collapses without clean data. The shift is to contract-backed data products owned by domains with SLAs, lineage, quality tests, and privacy controls. Trend 4. Platform engineering and FinOps. Platform engineering removes developer friction. FinOps evolves from cloud bills to AI cost per outcome. Teams now track cost per document, cost per conversation, and milliseconds of latency per step. Trend 5. Trust, Risk, and Safety, or TRiSM. This moves into the delivery pipeline. Guardrails, evaluation suites, PII detection, red teaming, provenance, and signing all become standard. If it's not auditable, it's not shippable. TRiSM is your audit pass. Trend 6. Industry AI. Generic AI is fading. 2025-26 is about vertical patterns. Banking KYC, insurance claims triage, digital identity in government, and safety analytics in manufacturing. Depth beats breadth. Trend 7. Sovereign AI. Nations want sovereignty and data residency. In Australia, sovereign AI is rising. Local models, local storage, and smart interop with hyperscalers. Data residency is now boardroom talk. Trend 8. Security as a product. Security becomes a reusable blueprint. Zero trust templates, policy packs, posture management, and secure by default design. Don't bolt on, build in. Trend 9. Quantum readiness Lite. Quantum disruption isn't here yet, but post-quantum crypto planning starts now. Inventory your crypto usage, plan KMS upgrades, and check vendor roadmaps. Now let's zoom into Australia. Our cybersecurity strategy targets world leadership by 2030. Expect uplift in incident readiness, critical infrastructure standards, and stronger audits. Designs must anticipate evidence and compliance. The Australian government has already mandated AI transparency and accountability officers. Vendors and partners must comply too. If you build AI for government or regulated industries, governance must be baked in. Workforce and skills are pivotal. The ACS Digital Pulse 2025 highlights a huge skills gap, but closing it represents a $25 billion opportunity. Skills in secure AI engineering, data products, TRiSM, and FinOps will surge. So what should tech professionals focus on? Architects should define AI platform services, prompt management, evaluation frameworks, guardrails, observability, and key management. Create reference patterns for privacy-aware retrieval, caching, and fallback flows. Own unit economics and map designs to Australia's cyber and AI policies. Data and AI engineers should prioritize contract-backed data products, build LLMOps pipelines with registries, evals, and drift monitors, and experiment with edge deployments and quantization. Full-stack developers need to master AI UX, recoverable flows, explainability, streaming UIs, and latency-friendly designs. SDK hygiene and observability are key. Security and risk professionals should build TRiSM into CI/CD, run red team playbooks, implement prompt injection defenses, and start post-quantum crypto migration plans. Managers and product leaders should tie features to measurable outcomes, reduce time to resolution, improve accuracy, lower cost per outcome. Prepare incident playbooks for AI failure modes, and invest in upskilling talent pipelines. Here's my 100-hour learning game plan. If I had 100 hours today, I'd spend 30 hours on AI platform engineering with FinOps, 25 hours on data products with contracts, lineage, and tests, 20 hours on TRiSM, including guardrails, evals, and red team exercises, 15 hours on edge AI demos with web GPU or quantization, 10 hours mapping solutions to Australia's cyber and AI policies. Technology wins only when people trust it. We need ethics, transparency, and accessibility alongside innovation. Support education and apprenticeships that open doors, so we close the skills gap and lift the ecosystem. Innovation must serve the human element, collaboration, continuous learning, and ethical responsibility. To summarize, the spotlight for 2025-26 shines on AI platformization, edge AI, data products, TRiSM, FinOps, and sovereign AI. Build with reliability, privacy, measurable outcomes, and ethical frameworks. That's how we turn hype into durable impact. I'm Amit from ChronoTech Minds. If this helped you plan your next skills move, like, share, and subscribe to ChronoTech Minds for deep dives on platform engineering, sovereign AI, and TRiSM in practice. Comment your role: architect, data engineer, developer, security, or product, and I'll reply with a 30-day learning plan tailored to you. Together, we can make technology trustworthy, impactful, and sustainable for everyone.